Hello students, I hope you have seen my last video, and now we'll continue the string programs. Right, we'll see one more program and then we'll move on to the string functions. Right, so now the program here is a C program to convert uppercase string to lowercase string. Right, so whatever the uppercase letters I have, I am going to convert it to an lowercase. It need not, my input need not be all uppercase letters, but even if I have all uppercase letters, it will be converted to all lowercase letters, right? So the concept is going to be the same. So uppercase letters, I have to convert it to an lowercase letters. So what is the thing we are going to use it? We are going to use an ASCII value. So the capital A will be represented by ASCII value 65. So A to Z you have 65 to 90. And the corresponding lowercase characters will have the ASCII values starting from 97. So A starts from 65 and the small a starts from 97. So when you see the difference is going to be 32. Right? So here difference is always going to be 32. So when you add 65 plus 32, it is going to be 97. So similarly 66 plus 32, when you add, that is going to be 98. So always if I want to convert an uppercase letter to a lowercase letter, I can add 32 to it to get my corresponding lowercase letter. Right? This is the concept we are going to use. Right? So I have declared stdio.h int main, and then I have a character array char str of 30 int I printf enter the string. So here I am displaying the message enter the string, and in the scanf I am reading the string. Right? If you want, you can use getS. Right? Already we have seen scanf means if I use %s, then it is not going to read the spaces in between. If you want to give your spaces also as your input, then you can use getS here in the place of scanf. Now I'll use a for loop because I need to check character by character. So I'm using a for loop for I is equal to 0. str of I is not equal to null. So already I told you to check the end of the string, you have a null character. So when I reach the null character, it means it is going to be the end of the string. Right? So str of I not equal to 0. Till it is not equal to 0, then I can check character by character. So here what I am doing here is, so I am checking whether the character is greater than or equal to 65 and it is less than or equal to 90. So 65 to 90, already I told you it is going to be your uppercase letters. When it is going to be greater than 65 and less than 90, then it is an uppercase letters. That uppercase letters I need to convert it to a lowercase letters. Remaining all letters I need not convert. Right? So here I am checking whether it is greater than or equal to 65 and less than or equal to 90. If that is the case, what we are going to do? To that particular character I am adding 32. So 32 is nothing but a value that can be added with an uppercase letter to convert it to a lowercase letter as we have seen here. So with 65, if I add 32, I am getting 97. With capital B, if I add 32, I am going to get a small letter b. Right? So now here I have taken an example. EXAMPLE. Here I have a capital letter. Here I have a capital letter. EX is also a capital letter. Right? So E will be converted to a small e. X will be converted to a small x. And here capital